Just few seconds for you to enjoy this magnificent and wonderful view before we start. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel Relax and Learn. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a quiz assignment in Google Classroom. Let us start. You need to type in Google Classroom, then a page will open requiring you to enter your email and password. And here, since I am already logged into my account, so I am automatically into my class. If you would like to create any kind of document inside your class, you need to choose the option Classwork. Some people ask me, what is the use of Stream? Now, Stream is only to make announcement. This is the first thing. The second thing is, when you create a document, you assign it first, and then it appears in the stream. So the stream is mainly like a mirror. It's for discussion or making announcement, or if you like, posting already created documents or assignments or whatever. Let us choose classwork. Here is what we need. Create option. Create and choose quiz assignment. Once you click on quiz assignment, a blank quiz document will be automatically generated, and it is a Google form document. Here it is. So you need to click on it and it opens. You need to call it, give it a title, for example, language quiz. And as a description, you can say that it is a series of grammar and vocabulary tasks for the English class or the English club students. Now, let us start with the questions. First thing, you would like your students to mention their names or write their names. So you can write in the question area here, untitled question, please write your name. The answer is going to be a short answer. So you said it. And of course, if you would like to know all the names of your students who are going to work and answer the quiz sheet, you make this question required. When you enable this one, it is going to be required so that no student is allowed to move to the coming questions or the next questions unless he or she writes his or her name. Okay, now let me explain a very important thing. If you are going to use the same kind of questions all along the quiz, you simply need to press the plus sign here on the bottom of the screen on the left side, and you have a blank question generated. You fill it in, for example, what or where or whatever. You can think of any kind of question. If it is multiple choice, or if it requires a short answer, or if it requires, for example, a paragraph, whatever. You're free to choose. Now, if you are thinking of designing a quiz that contains more than one type of questions, you need to use sections. How can I create a section? Look at the bottom of the screen on the right side, and you press an untitled section is going to be generated. You call it, for example, give it a title, task 1. And underneath you can write the question. So, for example, tick the appropriate answer among the given options. Okay. Then now you need to write your questions. You press the plus sign and you can write 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. If you're going to use short answer questions, you simply need to identify and to set it as short answer. If you're going to use, for example, multiple choice questions, you need to write the options underneath. So 1, 2, 3, 4, whatsoever. If you are, for example, going to use a kind of questions that requires more than one answer, you need to make a drop box, a checkbox, sorry. I guess this is clear. Okay, now please let me show you a sample of an already made quiz, and we're going to talk about it a little bit. So let me remove this. Suppose that I have already finished writing all types of questions. So let's take this and let us go back to Google Classroom. Now I'm inside my class and I have finished. I'm telling you to suppose that I have finished designing the quiz. Okay. Sorry for the delay. So link. I have a link of an already made quiz. And here we are. This is my language quiz that I was showing you. Okay. I click on it. And it is going to appear. So here is the quiz. Language quiz, a series of grammar and vocabulary tasks for the EC students. Please write your name, task 1. Then here you have the questions. When I was young, I used to, a blank, and the students are going to choose among the given alternatives. The last question in this section, Johnny has been living in Sydney 4 years. Then your students are going to tick one option. Task 2, it says, out of each 4 sentences, only one is correct. Check the box that corresponds to the correct sentence. And here we have 5 questions with 4 options to choose among underneath. Task 3, for each vocabulary item, tick the correct option underneath. And task 4, tick the opposite of the given words, antonyms. So your students are going to tick the antonyms. Now, here, your quiz is simply a draft. No student can have access to the quiz. If you would like your students to have access to this quiz, all you need to do is to assign the quiz. So I'm going to go back to my class. Okay, this is the document. Here it is, the document that I have been showing you right now. Okay, and it is of, you can hear, so here, for example, you can change the mark. It is to be evaluated out of 20 marks. And suppose that I'm not going to post it now to my students. I'm going to post it on the, for example, the 16th of October. So I'm going to choose a date in 2 days' time. So due date and time, you click on the calendar. Let me repeat this so that it is clear. Classwork. So let me repeat this. Google form. I'm going to add another file. I'm going to add the link. The steps are simple and easy, but sometimes, we can we can make an unexpected mistake, especially if you're using a tablet. So due date and time, let me click on it, and the calendar will appear, October, and I'm going to choose the date of the 15th of October. Okay, I click anywhere on the screen, and the time is set. So now I'm going to assign. Okay, I'm going to assign, so I should first of all identify a title. I should identify a title, so language quiz, and the assign icon is activated here. So all I need to do is to click on it. Let us go back to the stream. Reload, and you can see it here. Relax and Learn, that is the name of my YouTube channel, posted a new assignment, language quiz, at 11 past 2. So edit and copy link if you like. And here is the instructions, and here is the document once again. Okay, I hope that this video has been somehow helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time.